Being a creative and interesting token, Nexo can flaunt high utility. So it's nothing unexpected it has been very well known recently. Individuals are contemplating whether it merits putting resources into Nexo and what's in store for this cash. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value expectation and offer why we think it is a wise venture. Nexo specialized examination. As per verifiable information, Nexo is by all accounts a digital money with mooning potential. It answers well to crypto market changes and has sufficient standard help to shoot up in esteem. The Nexo token right now just has half of its absolute stock available for use. The digital money's market capitalization is, in any event, at the hour of compassing, inside the best 100 on CoinMarketCap. These things highlight Nexo having great long-haul possibilities. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed progressively. On the off chance that it is giving a purchase signal, the latest thing is bullish and Nexo's cost is probably going to ascend soon. On the off chance that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo cryptographic money could go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Nexo will be $0.959904. The most extreme level that the Nexo cost can reach is $1.19. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.9999. Possible return on initial capital investment, 58.7% by Nexo value gauge for February 2023. In light of the value changes of Nexo toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of $0.769923 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.69993 and at $0.789921 separately. Possible return for money invested, 5.3% by WAC 2023. Nexo value gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Nexo cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.759924, while the greatest could reach $0.829917 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around $0.789921. Expected return on initial capital investment, 10.7% by Nexo value gauge for April 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value changes of Nexo in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Nexo rate they anticipate may be around $0.79992 in April 2023. It can drop to $0.779922 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.869913. Likely return for money invested, 16% by May 2023. Nexo value estimate around mid-year 2023. The Nexo cost will be exchanged at $0.839916 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to $0.899991. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.79992 in May 2023. Possible return for money invested, 20% by Nexo value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Nexo costs in 2023. So they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023 $0.849915. The least and pinnacle Nexo rates may be $0.819918 and $0.939906. Likely return for money invested, 25.3% by July 2023. Nexo value estimate crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Nexo cost will be around $0.869913. In July 2023, the Nexo cost might drop to at least $0.839916. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.979902 in July 2023. Likely return for money invested, 30.7% by Nexo value gauge for August 2023. Having examined Nexo costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Nexo rate could arrive at a limit of $1.03 in August 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0.869913. For August 2023, the estimated normal of Nexo is almost $0.909909. Possible return for capital invested, 37.3% by September 2023. Nexo value conjecture around mid-2023. The Nexo cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.939906. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the Nexo cost could vary somewhere in the range of $0.909909 and $1.06. Likely return for money invested, 41.3% by Nexo value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Nexo worth won't dip under at least $0.919908. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $1.10. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0.959904. Possible return on initial capital investment, 46.7% by November 2023. Nexo value estimate. Digital money specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of Nexo costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Nexo will be around $1.15, with a chance of dropping to at least $0.939906. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $0.979902. Possible return for capital invested, 53.3% by Nexo value gauge for December 2023. In view of the value variances of Nexo toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of $0.9999 in December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.959904 and at $1.19 individually. Possible return for capital invested, 58.7% by Nexo value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.43. The greatest expected Nexo cost might be around $1.69. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $1.47 in 2024. Nexo value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2025, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $2.05 and $2.48 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.11. Nexo value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Nexo and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Nexo cost could drop to $2.98, while its greatest can reach $3.54. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $3.06. Nexo value forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Nexo costs